All right, so today is move number 10 in the 30 moves to 30K first deal system. And I want to preface this one by saying I am not an attorney. I am not giving you legal advice. So everything I tell you here, consult thy attorney and make sure you talk to one. Don't just go off the YouTube superhero or what I'm saying, or quite frankly, what anything online is saying or what AI is saying. Go off what an attorney says who specializes in this. And that is very simple. You buy properties in an entity name, not your personal name. Why is it so important to buy a property in a business entity name, or some people say a land trust or some kind of trust? That's fine, and not your personal name. Simple. Liability. Okay, we live in a world where unfortunately too many people, when something goes wrong, work overtime, like triple overtime, to not be held at fault and to blame somebody else. Okay, so who does this in our world? By far the biggest culprit will be contractors. Why? It is not uncommon, sad to say, for contractors to do incomplete work, sketchy work, and so forth, yet they want to be paid in full. But the job is not done. I have literally seen contractors want to get paid in full for half the work. Okay, I had this happen to a colleague recently. It was, as I sat there for 30 minutes listening to his story, I'm thinking, this is unbelievable. It's like better than a movie, except it's not good, it's bad. Okay, so contractors do some crazy things. Some of them are, don't get me wrong, some contractors are fantastic, and there's a lot of fantastic people, but we're protecting against the people that are not quite so fantastic. Okay, and that's why when you buy property, you want to make sure it's in a business entity, because the last thing you want is to be held personally liable. And the sad thing is, a lot of attorneys will still try to hold you personally liable, even though they have no standing to do so. It's just part of it. It's just what they do. It's how they put food on the table. Sad to say, but it is what it is. So buy properties in an entity name to protect yourself from predatory contractors or predatory anyone, including predatory attorneys, okay, that try to find ways to negatively impact you. And by the way, as a real estate investor, unfortunately, real estate investors have a target on their back just by default because of no other reason than stereotypical expectations. It's unfortunate. It is what it is. We just have to deal with it. Your job as a business owner is to protect yourself, to protect your assets, and to protect your investment in this deal. So buy a property in an entity name. If you do not have one, you make sure you get one before you start buying property, and you'll be in a much better place. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you in the next move.